What the practicum offers is a chance for students to apply what they've learned in their classes, building upon their networks and all of their different tools that they've been honing all year round. It's also a chance to work in a group environment. Different folks, as we all know, have different skills that they can flex. It's a chance to learn from their peers and kind of try some things out in a real but also safe environment where they also have the benefit of the support from the program and their faculty advisor guiding them along in this, what is ultimately also a learning journey.
My team managed the inventory and the purchasing for Washington State Department of Transportation. For Washington State Department of Transportation, we have about approximately 7,500 employees in the agency. Our work spans any highway or interstate within the state of Washington.
In Washington State, we have a supplier diversity purchasing initiative. And one of the goals for our state is 6% of all of our spending should go to small, diverse, women-owned, and veteran-owned businesses. And while we're doing that, we didn't really have a tool to track how well we were doing or if we were hitting that goal. We have very antiquated systems, and we have systems that don't talk to each other. So what we needed a way that we could marry that information and make it accessible for all of our employees to see and all of our purchasers to see.
So by WSDOT, they were facing a problem of tracking their diversity spending. They didn't have much information on how to execute or what would that look like. So we decided on building a dashboard.
One of the big challenges that we found really quickly was not necessarily building the actual dashboard, but actually collecting the data. We found that a lot of spending doesn't happen necessarily through contracts. It can be on the spot. Maybe you find a business that directly supports the need you have, and you can use something called a P card to be able to do that transaction. When the data goes back through the bank, it gets wiped. And so not only did we need to build this dashboard, but we actually needed to create a new process for WSDOT to be able to track these P card transactions.
One of the great things about working with young minds was that they weren't mired in our old systems and our old technology. They came to us with really fresh ideas and were able to cobble together a system in under 5 weeks, which we had been working on developing for the last year and a half.
So during this project, I learned how to communicate what I want clearly to our stakeholders so that I can really get information that I need. I think it really gave me that business background understanding of how supply chain works in big corporations.
Being a part of Foster School, where they prepared us to all the challenges that we might face, we were able to overcome all the surprises that we might see.
Something that I took away from this project is that the people aspect, how important it is to get to know the people that you're working with. And we're all here every day to do a job, but at the end of the day, the people that you're with really can make or break that. And so getting to know the people that I worked with at WSDOT was so incredible. I honestly cherish that time.
I think the project itself and also the program has helped me tremendously to prepare me for the job right now.
We definitely got everything we asked for and more. We got a product that we can be proud of. There was really no downside. At the end of the day, we got a beautiful product that we will continue to use throughout our agency.
My advice to any other state agency or any agency that would be looking to partner with a capstone team like here at University of Washington, I would say that they're a great group of young men and women, very smart, intelligent. We don't always have the manpower or the resources in order to work on certain projects. But with the team that we ended up working with, they were able to collaborate with us. And for me, I greatly appreciate the work that they put into this project.